Yeah, I believe it's a hot.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
Welcome back to Kira and Toga TV, guys. Just remember to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment. Just let me know your opinion on the video. If you do good and if you do bad.
So the video we're going to do is smack or fuck. We have wrote down 10 questions each. We don't know what they on each other's paper. We have the flower in here, so how you go with you must come in a short. First man did this. We go ask question. Who get it wrong probably get smack. Who get it right don't get smack. So yeah, thank you for the support. We really appreciate it. Go watch Kira TV and subscribe and go watch it by Jamaican movie them here. Period. So we'll go first. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first. I don't know I go still. Who wins, who lose? Where you go?
Go on, you go first.
I have no idea. What's my favorite food?
Curry chicken. I like rice.
We have to talk about people not hearing.
Curry chicken and white rice are favorite food.
Guys, we have to we can't find it fun.
What size me wear in a shoes?
11, 12.
I want to try me.
But you have to tell me your answer.
12.
Yeah, I believe it's a hot.
But I'm not going. I don't like your hat.
Which do I prefer? Jerk pork or jerk chicken?
Jerk pork. What do I enjoy doing the most?
Edit. Thumbnails, video, and clone yourself on TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many siblings do I have?
You have a wallet.
How much?
I don't know how much you have a wallet.
I'm not telling you answer me.
You know wallet.
How much you mix me up? I
Eh?
need a number.
7.
No, wrong. My father have 2 girls, 1 boy, and you get 1 girl. 4. Payback is a bitch.
Good.
Okay, now think of it. I look in my eye, look like my eye, them come like glasses. And the flower almost been in my eye.
What is my favorite fast food?
KFC. Am I right?
Yeah.
Not my feet. Pure KFC on. Which R&B artist do I listen the most?
Chris Brown.
No.
I know Chris Brown.
No. You ever hear me listen to Chris Brown? Summer Walker.
Don't know that.
I play music. You
Yeah,
never
no,
listen
yeah.
to me that music. I play Summer Walker. I play playing games. I
Me never
play
heard it.
I Just Need Some Love. I play Body. I play. Don't move. Don't move. Oh.
God.
Keep on and say God. Why God did? Oh, because I wash them here.
What type of clothes me wear most?
Shorts. You always have on shorts and shirt. Me have the same pants. Right or wrong?
Right.
Which app do I prefer? WhatsApp, Snapchat, or TikTok, or Instagram? Five, 4, 3,
Snapchat.
2, 1, 1.5, 1 and 1/4.
No Snapchat?
No.
What?
Instagram. Me never prefer Snap. Who does that? Snapchat have for me.
Yeah.
Come on. You can see? I'm not wicked like it. I'm not put in the air, you know. Like, you know, straight on me.
What is my top priority?
Your top priority is to become successful, become a cinematographer and an editor and a photographer. Right or wrong?
Right.
Which do I prefer, sea or river?
River.
Me eye.
What is the one thing I love about you? Me always tell you love.
You like that I am hardworking and me independent and me determined. I'm gonna go for what I want. I'm gonna have to ask now, so am I right? Who do I prefer, mom or dad?
Mom. Who I love the most, my mother and my father.
Your mother. What's my favorite color? No, y'all get that one wrong. What's my favorite color?
Green, you say
5,
green.
4,
A green,
3,
you say
2, 1.
purple.
Me tell them I don't have a favorite color. Me tell them I'm gonna go with green because my sister will did love green. Feel this on the top.
God, no.
Yeah. Go on. Where's Sean going now? By the way, why have anybody's wake up on the tongue?
Yeah.
How you wash them?
Let me see. Who make me smile more, you or my ex?
No, mostly. Okay, your ex. Right. What's my favorite word to say?
Yeah, you just say. Wait, no money. You can't do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.5, 1.25, and your time is up.
No. Where is that say?
For real and literally.
You always say that?
Yes. Better for them. That is for not paying attention to your girlfriend. One. I want me to live. So you must have one way. What you have live? What you have live? I want to smoke me get. You know, not boy girlfriend is bad. Very bad. Subscribe, turn on the post.
What do I do for fun?
Huh?
What do I do for fun?
Edit. Video.
Huh?
Video.
No, I'm gonna beach.
Rishan, you got.
Yeah, I'm gonna beach for fun.
You can't lick me. You don't want to. You live left yard. You never
That-
tell me
that,
say you do.
that I do for fun. I'm gonna do TikTok.
Stop chat and just box.
Oh.
The last one. What's my shoe size? Rishan, I have to put something on my nose.
9.
Tell us some slipper size at 9 and my shoe size at 8.5.
You know, you're supposed to get that right.
You know?
Tell me 9, you know.
Slipper size at 9, shoe size at 8.5. Slippers fit me different.
Good.
The one last question you have it. You make it for a guy that knows. Look on the wall, Jesus God. One only pass sweeping if you do. Guys,
What is the one thing me hate about myself?
But too silent. Like that? So pissed right now, guys. Rashan literally get probably about 6
Me
smack.
come want some more question. This one is no question. Do
What's
what?
one thing I love about you the most? Well, I'm not clicking. I'm gonna go.
Alright.
5.
Me hard working, determined, and me always go forward. That?
No.
What?
You only get one right out there.
What? We still get it right.
1, you're hard working, yes. 2, you're always silent. And 3, you're not really like have that much wipe in the company.
Me
Like,
not forget no lick then. Me like travel and me not like travel.
you don't like trouble.
Yeah, me like travel. Me like see new place.
Sean, don't make it going on my ear. Take time, you make it going on my nose. Do it now!
Ready now? Okay.
What's one thing I hate about myself? 5,
No, I don't go down. Wait.
4,
Wait, no man. Wait.
3. Wait upon scale. 2, 1. Time out. Me hate that me always doubt myself.
And that me just I would say.
Oh, so wait a weapon. This? You look me at an animal jump, you wicked.
Whoa.
Suck on that. Come go on. One more and we're done. Like a nice Santa.
But I one thing you always tell me not to do. I will never listen.
Don't be too humble. Always speak out. Don't make nobody tell you what to do. And that?
Can't remember that idea.
Me know.
Go
So
on.
I'm glad to get slapped them.
Go on. Go on. If you slap me in front of me and slap it back.
Which do I prefer, summer or Christmas?
Christmas.
I didn't know that.
Because you're in a summer. Alright. Which holiday you like the most?
If you ask that, me I forgot to ask one more question, you know, right?
Which holiday you like the most?
Out of Christmas, Easter.
What are all of them?
I don't know, probably summer. One more time.
No.
Don't make me Irish.
Christmas.
Me never know that, they never yet tell me that.
Boy,
I mean, never yet tell us something like Christmas, so I guess you get.
yeah.
Do it. Bitch. Stop now.
Oh, you say you do me and let me head tap. Go on now. You bless member.
What is my shut up? What is my aim 4 to 5 years from now?
You want to have money, you want can help your mother with
5, 4, 3, 2.
oh, the aim to be a cinematographer. Yeah. Right?
No.
What?
To be successful, have one business.
Yeah, be successful and be cinematographer and have a business.
It don't get you wrong. Yeah! Oh! Wrong! Sorry guys. That's the end of it. We need to go wash out my face right now because I flow in my eye.
Give us remember to like, share,
Comment,
subscribe.
subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. If you're new, welcome to the channel.
Yes. We want 1,000 likes in order and 100 comments.
Guys, and 3K views. Guys, me literally stop. Guys, me literally have a whole room to clean up right now. Prashan, me eye hurt me. The whole room, everything in here floor, plus the clothes me have on is a black bottom. I rush on the floor going on my eye. Go wash out this. So big up on yourself. Be stop, not you. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, like, share and comment.
There is a person
Yeah,
always forgot to pick up Mora's World.
Yeah, more as well. Go over there.
Out,
More
subscribe,
as well.
and big up everybody else too. Always. Somebody said me to shout them up, I don't remember what their name was. In the next video, we try to remember. The link over there down in the description box below for more as well. Big up on yourself. Thanks for your support. We really appreciate it. Big up
Yeah.
for what I eye.
Yeah. Remember to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment, everything. Like, press the like button, guys, 2 times.
Hurry up now.
Boom.
Say